Hello student, welcome all of you. This is lecture for BSc third year student and paper is numerical analysis, paper number 15th. Dear student, in the last lecture we have already studied some examples. Find the differences of some function. First difference, second difference to nth difference. Students, today we are going to discuss one example, that is find delta of ux and vx. So ux means u be the function in terms of x and v be the function in terms of x, where h is equal to 1. So be carefully see here. ux means u is a function in terms of x, but we can simply write v in this way. So what is ux? U is equal to f of x. What is ux? U is equal to f of x. Okay, now so let delta ux vx. So what is the definition of delta f of x? We know this is the delta f of x definition. We know that delta f of x. So what is delta f of x? It is f of x plus h minus f of x, isn't it? So similarly, so delta ux vx is increase this x by 1 because h is given and h is 1. So therefore delta ux vx is ux plus 1 vx plus 1 minus ux vx. This is standard definition of first difference of function. So student, we get this term ux plus 1 vx plus 1, here ux plus 1 vx plus 1, and then ux vx. This is the last term ux vx. Now for some adjustment we add and subtract this term. Which term we add and subtract? So ux plus 1 vx plus ux plus 1 vx. We add and subtract this term. After adding and subtracting, from first two term we can take common term as ux plus 1 ux plus 1. So I take ux plus 1 common. Remaining term is this vx plus 1 minus vx plus from next two terms which term is common? So vx is common. So taking vx, or that is the mu x, no problem, mu x or vx. So this mu x, okay, I roughly say it is small v. So vx, so u of x plus 1 minus vx. So this is nothing but by definition it is the delta ux, and this is nothing but the definition delta vx. And so therefore this difference delta ux vx can be written as ux plus 1 delta vx plus vx delta ux. Similarly we can prove this also. There is a ux delta vx and vx plus 1 delta ux. So you try to do this problem as your homework, isn't it? So similar way, here we add and subtract ux plus 1 vx and u plus 1 vx. So similarly expansion of this term also we have to add something. So whatever you find yourself, so which thing we have to be added and subtracted. So this is the example, finding the differences of functions. So here we had find difference of the functions. Okay. Now next is a very important concept. You can see here what is meant by factorial notation, or what is meant by factorial function. What is meant by factorial function? So see, the product of factors of which the first factor is x. That means any polynomial given, then we have to find the factor of that polynomials. But first factor is x. What is given? The first factor is x, and the successive factor decrease by a constant difference. Whatever the next factor, those factors should be gradually decreases by the constant term, or the constant difference is called factorial polynomial or factorial function, and is denoted by x power r. See here, factorial polynomial or the factorial function is denoted by x power r, and this r is always positive integer, and we read it as x raised to the power of r factorial. How we can read this? X raised to the power r factorial. This r is nothing but r factorial. Okay, so interval of differencing is h. So simply, if we have to find the first difference, that means 0 factorial in particular, so x power 0 must be 1. Then what is the xr? Xr means x into x minus h, x minus 2h. So see here, first term is x, second is x minus difference h, after that x minus difference h, to after that x minus difference h. This is a r term, because we are count from this first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is r minus 1 is there, so this is r term. So in this way we can find factorial polynomial or factorial function. Also student, we can find difference. What is that? This is difference. Listen it is carefully or notice it, because some MCQ questions will be asked on this topic. Some example is given, and we may have to find some difference of them, or general terms of the finite difference of factorial polynomial. So see here, we find the first difference for the factorial polynomial x power r. So what will be it? So x plus h power r minus x power r. This is the standard definition, no challenge to this. Now x plus h power r, x plus h power r, r factorial. So r factorial start from this term x plus h, then x minus h to x minus r minus 2h, and next is x power r. So x power r can be written as x minus h, x minus 2h to x minus r minus 1h, and after solving this we get this is nothing but r h x power r minus 1 factorial. What is this? R h x power r minus 1 factorial. So in next lecture we will discuss some more properties of factorial notation, factorial function. So till we stop it here, and we will discuss some more things or some properties depend on factorial notation or factorial function in next lecture. Thank you very much.